Now we are making... what
We're
kind of
making dough, bread, pumpkin bread.
pumpkin bread.
Oh, I didn't know it was
It's so delicious without egg.
Pumpkin with the soy milk and earth balance.
With olive oil.
And whole wheat flour.
Oh, it's whole wheat. Okay, good.
And this is vegan.
Coconut. Then this is for tomorrow's potluck. That everybody will enjoy the mabuhay bread.
We're inviting you for the communion service.
Who? Everybody.
Everybody.
There, oh, you take picture with the balloon.
Enjoy your
White rice and
Bitter melon.
white rice and red rice.
Everybody.
Tastes good. Look very beautiful.
While we're preparing the
Very, very nice.
Sabbath, the hair is everybody
bread makers.
working together with unity so that it's very soon.
Oh, bula bula.
And
Hair.
one of them is playing.
Bola, bola.
Bula bula.
is for Michael because he's little.
I make Philippine.
Here, Michael, you want to do one?
Wash your hand, Michael.
Your mom wants them smaller, so pick one to make it
Did you wash your hands?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Always wash your hands.
Okay, wash your
Don't
hands.
touch it. You
If you didn't wash your hands, you're outside the Colombo.
Okay, wash your hand, Michael. Wash your hand. And then,
Over here.
That was too big.
okay, wash your hand in the sink there. Yeah, so that you can make your own dough.
Yeah, too big. Too big.
Okay?
Needs water.
Pero lagay lanay.
Okay. Go, make.
Bad girl.
Okay, Michael. Now you can make your dough one of them.
Yeah.
Right there. Is there any more for Michael to?
Michael, come here.
Come over on this plate. We need these smaller.
Here, here. Okay.
Just like that.
Roll it with in your
Where's
hand.
the one that I have here? That's my sample.
Like that.
Okay.
Michael, look at your mom.
Okay, good job, Michael. Good job. Okay.
Okay.
Michael, smile.
And
Show your
sure,
teeth.
would you want to have the sample of Pilipit? How to make Pilipit? Then you can just
Oh,
Philip.
maybe next time you can make Pilipit.
what is it? Next Friday we make Philippines.
What is it?
Lorna,
Just look what she's doing. That's Philippines.
Oh, that's,
Oh, we
But
need
this one is sticky.
Sticky.
Sticky Philippines.
This one is
Oh.
sticky. It's like English.
okay, next time.
Look, a lot of people.
We're gonna make Pilipit next
Philippines,
time.
this one like this.
They gotta be smaller.
Do like that.
There's a lot of pieces.
This is a Philippines.
Then if you fry it, it's really good like donut,
I
but it's
ruined
Pilipit.
This one is
Do not eat donut.
donut.
Okay.
That's Philippines. We call this Philippines tomorrow.
Hope that bread will be successful and we're gonna enjoy that tomorrow.
Okay, let's eat now.
Here's the dinner for
A
tonight.
lot of people. Otherwise, everybody won't.
Here's our dinner for tonight.
Ito man ni diri.
We'll get one.
Ito man ni diri. Ito man ni diri Lord. Ay, oo.
Pinatag ni Juan daw na.
Ni An. Uy, ako
Yeah.
Ako ani. Ako. Kini. Ay, the small one only.
Oy! Bell, oy!
Here's one that's
Oy.
not round, Michael.
Ay,
Try to make
ala ka.
I had
Kung ano tingali
Make it round.
tumutubo sa balay. Uy,
Make
ano
it
na?
round.
Lilikoy?
Oh, lilikoy.
Ligatan sa avocado?
Mo siguro.
Na.
Oh,
What is that?
this one chili pepper, very halam.
Oh, wow.
What's the name of it?
Chili pepper.
Just chili pepper. You don't know the name of that kind. Yeah, well, I know they're hot, but that particular kind.
Thank you everybody for working hard.
Michael, you put that there, wash your hand, and let's eat.
Okay.
We're gonna let it rise first for a while.
Dora, sa uli si An.
Oh, pag ako nag...
Uli na siya, uy.
Her granddaughter came with her.
Akin siya. Ngayon kung ilang pala yun. Can you eat, Mom? I'm hungry.
You must be
Okay,
hungry.
let's eat.
What'd you have today? Smoothie?
Yeah, we don't have to make smoothie when we already put it outside, but
Lloyd, look here. Look at the food. What is that?
Dips.
Good. Okay.
So pretty.
There's a youth in here too.
We might be at the end of the
Oh, if you have sesame tahini, that's very good, that one.
Uy, cannot make this smoothie already, ah?
Yeah, we'll make smoothie.
Oh, there's no other ingredient or smoothie.
Oh, there's banana, but I cannot put it.
Only banana and papaya, that's all.
What juice that one?
If there is lilikoy, unta.
Oh, that's liquid.
Lilikoy.
That's liquid.
Where's lilikoy?
Right there in the box, inside the box there.
Gusto ko wala naman smoothie ka
Oh,
na.
naging mo kami liquid na salad dressing, Lord.
Sago.
Wala namang koy-kwan, lilikoy. Ibutang man ni Diyos iyang Diyos.
Oh, liquid na sila, no? Gusto ko magdala. Nakakoy liquid.
Ganda po ng
Oh. This one, wakame salad.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, so the rice that we have, we can just cook in tomato.
Here.
Sa balat.
Whoever likes white or red.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then here, the tomato.
Tomorrow, picture na lang na.
Pumpkin, ha?
Picture.
Sige. Baked pumpkin. If you have sesame tahini, it's good for this. Put sesame on the top.
About the sayote.
Ano sa iyo?
Kapos gan ba sa mga tao? I-group